Humphrey. I'm a graduate now of CodeCraft School of Technology in Boulder, Colorado. Been studying full stack web development. And I'm a big computer nerd. I'm passionate about code. But I'm also a huge music nerd and a musician. And I love vinyl, LPs. I love everything vinyl. I love how they look. I love how they feel. I love how they smell. I also like selling them for profit when I can. But my app the problem my app is solving is for a collector such as myself, trying to organize my collection and keep track of each LP's current lowest value that's being sold online via some various sources. The biggest online resource for a vinyl collector is a site called discogs.com. So I'm using the Discogs API to pull some information to build my collection. So this is a full stack web app, and let's just dive right in. So we'll sign up a new user first. We'll get some information from them. This will be Alice. And let's say that Alice's favorite artist is the late great Prince. So if Alice was going to bring 3 LPs with her to a desert island, I think she would probably bring Purple Rain, 1999, and Controversy. So now Alice is logged in, and we can start to build Alice's LP collection, because it's currently empty. So the first thing we should do is look up an LP by the catalog number. And this is commonly found, sometimes it's found on the inner ring of the LP, but in this case, it's right up here, BA66000. And what this does is it makes a call to Discogs API and pulls in a couple of pieces of relevant information. Most importantly for a collector buying and selling is this lowest price. So of all the LPs being sold right now, Alice knows at bare minimum that this LP is worth $4, regardless of the condition. And using the Goldmine record grading system, we can start to report some information. If she remembers what she paid for it, she can put a number in, otherwise she can leave this blank to be 0. Let's put in $1 for this. And then let's put in one more record just to show you how this works. This one is LP5192. Again, pulling some information about this record. This one's in really good shape, so I'm going to say this one's pretty much mint. And let's say I got this for $10. So after a user has put in enough LPs, they can start to look at what their collection is looking like. And so this is Alice's collection so far. Now I'd like to log out and show you another example of a user with a little bit more info, more LPs in their collection. So in this collection, we have a lot more LPs. And one of the nice things about the app is that you can sort any of these columns. So if you really just wanted to look at, what's your profit and loss, or what is your lowest price LP, and how much could I make off this? Well, maybe I want to sell this one. And the neat thing about this is that this $5 value here is dynamically being fed into this via the API call. So I could be checking this in an hour or in a week, and this value might change. So then I could sell my LP. Now, let's say that my friend thinks that he has more 60s LP in his collection than I do. Well, we can go into my profile and look at some metrics here based upon the albums in the collection, and I can say, well, hang on a second. I've got 11 60s LPs, or these are the blues. I got 55 60s LPs. I do like 60s LPs. So this metrics page can show you some breakdowns and more pertinent information about your catalog. So just to review, this is a full stack web application. It was built using Bootstrap for the front end, CSS3, HTML5, uses Vue.js for a single page application on the front end, uses MongoDB for the database, and on the back end it's using Node running Express Server, and it's deployed up to Droplet at DigitalOcean. And that is my app. So thanks for listening. If you guys have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Any questions?
Yeah, I'm sorry, go on.
So I know you said that you get the lowest price for the API. Other than just adding a new LP, when else do you make that call?
That is the only time. Well, when you look at the collection as well, this is dynamically loaded.
So it goes and checks.
So when you're adding an LP, you have the option to submit it to be permanently recorded in the database as part of your collection. But you could, at this point, say, no, I'm going to skip this record. I'm going to search for a different one and put that in. So what's really recorded is a release ID about this LP. This release ID then is called to Discogs to return those rights. Yeah. And then finally, I want to sell this record. I can just take it out of the database. Any other questions? All right, well, thank you very much.